Yeah, it's okay. You can do it.
Give Peanut your kibble. Need help? Okay, come here. Put it in the bowl. Well, there's still more. Put more in. Still a little bit more. Gotta tilt it more. Need some help?
Oh, no, almost done.
One more. There you go.
Good girl.
Now go put it back. Put it in. Hold it up. You put it inside. Good job. Now go tell Peanut to eat her kibble. Oh, yeah, we gotta put that on top. Okay, go tell Peanut to eat her kibble. Good girl. Eat your kibble, Peanut.
Way to go, Rebecca.